Hello, hello, my artsy crafty friends out there. Welcome or welcome back to my channel. My name is Dee, aka The Messy Perfectionist. And on this channel, I am sharing with you my love and learning for all things DIY artsy crafty. I recently purchased these two sets of Black Widow colored pencils, and I will be swatching and unboxing and revealing both of them. But today we are looking at the Dragon Edition pencils. I've already went ahead and wrote down the names and numbers for each of the colored pencils on my swatch cards here. I'm just zooming in, so if you guys wanted to pause the video or revisit it after we're done going through it to see the names and numbers for all the pencils, you can go ahead and do so. But with that said, we are going to jump right in here and get started. So I'm going to go ahead and be quiet for probably most of it and just let you see the pretty colors come about on these cards. And then we will touch base towards the end of this so that you can then see the completed swatches for all of these colors, as well as a picture that I completed in Worlds of Wonder by Johanna Basford using just this set of Black Widow pencils, the Dragon Edition. If you guys do find information like this helpful, or you like this kind of content, you enjoy just kind of seeing people learn along the way and just building our community, please consider subscribing to this channel, as I would love to see our community grow and just do more things along this line and just share my love for all things artsy crafty. It just feels really good to me, and I love watching other creators do content like this, and I love creating content like this. So please give this video a like, consider subscribing, and please comment below and share and all those good things, and I appreciate you all so much. And here I just wanted to take a moment and show you guys, I was pretty amazed and impressed that the color on the barrel of the pencil actually matched what came out on my paper. If you guys are like me and you have several brands of colored pencil, you guys know that more often than not, the color on the barrel of the pencil does not match what comes out on the paper, and that's why it is so darn necessary to swatch out all of your pencils and things. I still always suggest doing that, but it was kind of nice to see that, you know, the people that produce these pencils actually took the time to match fairly close the color on the barrel of the pencil to the color that actually comes out. I just love the vibrancy of these colors. Look at these pinks and oranges. They are so bright and vibrant. I was just so impressed by this color palette together and how it all works so well together. And here we are with the completed swatching of the Black Widow Dragon Edition set. And now I will show you guys my first picture that I have created using this set in Worlds of Wonder. So here I just wanted to kind of give you guys a short visual of using these pencils in a picture. I had recorded doing the embellishments on this picture and then lost it, so I apologize for that. I did want to put a few clips in there, but at least this was in there. You could kind of see how it lays down. And then also I put in a little bit of these highlights into the silver bluish embellishments to just kind of see how, or show you how they layer out. And I'll talk a little bit more about the picture in a second. So I decided to just kind of keep it simple with this. Just trying to get this in frame here a little bit better. I wanted this picture, if you guys watched my Worlds of Wonder flip through, which I'm pretty sure that's what this is, but let's double check here. Yeah, okay, so I did a flip through for Worlds of Wonder, and I'll pop it up in a card right now if you're interested in the rest of this book and see what it looks like. I mentioned this page and how I saw this as like a moon moth. That's what I call them. I have no idea what it's called, or it doesn't, obviously it doesn't look exactly like this, but in my brain as being a child, I remember seeing kind of this iridescent moth on a sliding door. And so when I saw this picture, I really just wanted to recreate that image in some way. Say I was inspired by it anyway. So and when I looked at this picture, I thought it looked like it was a book to me. I'm not sure if this is a book or a picture frame, but I was inspired to color it as if it was like an old leather-bound book, and this moth was just kind of sitting on top. So I wanted everything kind of like a little bit more muted in the background. I decided not to do any highlight on the outside of it. I just put a little bit of highlight with some white gel pen, just little dots on the moth. And I wanted kind of this rusty bronze look to the book corners, and then just kind of that worn leather with kind of these as like a silverish bluish pewter. So yeah, my first experience, really liked using them. The only thing, so what I did to blend it, and if I was going to do it again, honestly I would not have done this. I used my odorless mineral spirits to kind of like burnish and blend the well, the whole thing, basically like the whole book area, and then I just kind of dragged it up so it kind of looked like, made the page look a little bit more antiqued, and it looks okay. But I think if I was going to do it again, I would just have used a colorless blender like this to get the effect that I was looking for. So that is it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you have not tried Black Widow, I don't think you'll be disappointed. Still love my Prismacolors, but I definitely enjoyed using the Black Widows, and they're not as soft. You do not have to sharpen them as often. So they don't leave a lot of wax bloom as you're going along. However, they don't blend the same and layer as Prismacolor. So everything has its advantage and disadvantage. I definitely enjoyed using these, and I'm looking forward to sharing with you guys now the Monarch set, which I'm getting ready to do now. So stay tuned, and make sure you watch that next video if you want to see what that set looks like. Goodbye.